Hi there.
No, sorry.
It's over.
I think it's gonna come here. Yeah, see? I told you. I thought it went to me. Oh, wait, where to where? Wait. Wait, I thought it came to you. You throw it. Oh my gosh. Oh!
Jess is good. Oh, that's her trying to open the door and you see Jess.
Up there.
Bro, her slaps are crazy.
We are at practice. It's the Sunday before Labor Day. We're about to practice Hmong right now. Yeah, we're getting mosquitoes because there's mosquitoes everywhere. Look at my pinky size. Oh my god, it's so big. I got big right here too. Oh my god. Yeah, there's mosquitoes everywhere. So we've been killing them. Tina's our mosquito hunter. Oh, Shiny just found more mosquitoes. Two more practices. Woo! I'm excited. Yeah.
Ariana, what are you doing right now for our vlog?
I'm glittering. That bad, but everyone else.
Yes.
I was the first test subject.
Yeah. All over this her arm.
Yes.
Ariana been going around
You want my legs
sparkling everybody.
but also your belly.
Are we doing outfit trial or just shiny?
I think it's just shiny.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm not
I
putting
hope
my
so.
on with this glitter on.
Okay, let me go. You see, this is the old glitter bomb and stuff. I'm a disco ball.
You are the.
I am the disco ball at the party.
You look like. Y'all know that one character from Trolls where it spits out glitter?
Yeah, that's what we were talking about. That's me.
Yes. Get those knees. We gonna make it shiny. Shine bright like a diamond.
3 days later.
Hey guys, me and Val was picking me up, and we're at the studio. We're picking up the shorts. Today is 3:39 p.m. It is August 27th. 3 days before comp, and we're gonna pick up Leona, and then we're gonna go to the mirror studio and practice. Yeah, bye.
I'm dying.
Hello. We are 2 days away from comp.
I have exam tomorrow. Yes.
Me too. I have homework tonight. And we're doing dress rehearsal. Final dress rehearsal.
Look at my pencil.
Hi guys.
I blinked. We're practicing Thai. We are doing dress rehearsal, and we are doing Thai. We are having malfunctions. Okay, let's do it again. Hey guys, and guess who it is? Haley P. Cam. Sorry, C. Cam.
So, that round was pretty bad. Everybody's stuff was bouncing around, but we're not A, so we still slay, so it don't even matter. Right? Someone got my ankle. Comment down what was your favorite part of the vlog when you finish. Put the times there. Yeah.
YouTube channel.
Yep. And make sure you like and subscribe and put those post notifications on so you guys can see every single video. We need to make money. This is already all of our money. We have no more funds in the bank, guys. So please do that.
Okay, y'all go away.
I did besties. Close your eyes. Everybody's over there. And Janina's right here. Oh my god, Maxi. Hey guys, it's currently Friday today. Me and my sister, we are working on these little pamphlet things for the team. And as you can see, working hard.
Look at these, bro. I did them so cute, bro. Y'all, look at this. I have two.
Hi.
How you feeling? Anyway, so we're gonna be up all night doing this. It is Friday already. We started on Thursday at 10 something, but it's currently Friday the 29th at 12:30.
Much later.
Hello. Coach Val and I just got here to our room. This is the night before Labor Day competition, by the way. How are you feeling? How am I feeling? Nervous, excited, but just gonna give you guys a quick tour of our room. We're on the 6th level, by the way.
What's our view? Do we get the view of the river, the waterfront?
Girl, we got a view of like a rooftop.
No! This is actually pretty.
Okay, hold on. I'll take you out there. Okay, so this is, first of all, this is really cool. Oh, I thought it moved. Never mind. But anyways, this is the bathroom. It has a sliding door. Clean. And then we have bed right here. This is Val's bed. Say hi.
Hi.
And then this is my bed. And this is our view. Wow.
We have a nice view.
This is so pretty. Wow, I thought, girl, I saw the rooftop. That's why I saw the rooftop.
We have a nice view.
Wow, this is a really nice view. But okay, this is all the vlogging I'm gonna do right now because we're late for our practice. Our girls probably hate us right now. But we'll see you guys soon. Jess and I are going to meet the girls in the conference room for practice. So yeah. Guys! Jess and I are lost. This hotel is like huge. Okay, we are so lost. Take a left. Oh yes, convention center. Oh, okay. Take a left. There's a hall, and you go down. Dang, look. This is so big. Yeah, this hotel is like huge. So, but I think we found it. We got a 3rd floor. This guy got on the elevator with us. He got off on the 3rd floor. We got off with him. Not even knowing where we were going. But we got off with him and then we just hopped right on the elevator again. Oh, take a left and to go down. Girl, you tripping. That's what she means. Okay, go downstairs and take a left. It's too embarrassing. What?
we found it.
Where Henrietta?
Oh, okay. So, Jess and I found it. Guys, we made it. Jess and I made it.
Were my instructions helpful?
No.
I love your sprouts.
We didn't even see the left take the stairs.
So we were supposed to start practicing at 7. It's 8:30 right now.
Wait, cut the cam. Hi, girls.
Hi, girls. Hi, girls.
Hi, girlies.
Guys, this is Tina's walk. Okay, ready? Okay, go. Okay, slay. Who next? Okay.
I don't know how to show you guys how to walk sassy. We gotta be like this. When you know we turn, we're gonna be like this. You wanna take some of my hair?
Oh, hey.
Okay. Alright. Now, you got the sisters, Serene, Sadie. How y'all feeling?
We're feeling great.
But we didn't bring our clothes.
Because we late, so we just came down.
It's okay. For Thai, for Hmong.
That's the walk for the stage. How you gonna walk like? Right here.
Let's do together. How you going?
Okay. Next. We're not gonna sing. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay. Where's the cam? Cut the cam. 3. Turn at 3.
No, it's 1, 2, 3, hit. 1, 2, 3, hit.
Never mind. I was wrong.
Okay, ready? Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, hit. Okay, do it again.
Pop your chest.
Okay, ready?
I don't know how much chest I can pop.
Whatever chest you got, pop that. 1, 2, 3, hit. Okay, now let's do the snake down. Okay, ready? 5, 6, 7, 8, and down. Do it again. Add more sass to it. Okay, ready? Now back up. Okay, ready? 5, 6, 7, 8, and down. That name you're holding. You just make sure you guys pop strong. Pop. Stronger. Okay, that was better. Do it again.
Hi, guys. We just got done doing our last rehearsal. Where's your sprout? Oh, right there. I'm so excited. I'm exhausted. What time is it?
It is 10:55.
Nice.
And we're about to leave, I guess. I still have to get measured.
You didn't get measured yet?
You know, because we're still measuring other people.
Hey, this is my blind one. We got to start early today.
We not wearing
wake up at
contacts.
4:30. No, we
We're
have to
thugging
be
it out.
here by 4:30.
Oh, you like my nails? I like my nails. I like your nails. You like my nails? I like Siri nails. Siri nails pretty. Siri is pretty.
Our nails, let's show our nails, you guys. Wait,
I'm missing two. Okay, I gotta go.
Wait, I like to flex my nails different. Your nails are cute, Cash. I like to. Wait, can I see them? I didn't even know you were doing. Y'all, look what Cash just did. These are my cute nails. Okay. Can I drop it? These are. Wait, are you? Yes. I look at my nail collection. That's so cute. Who are you gonna go with? My boyfriend. Yay. Cute. I wish we got the cute flowers. But we got this. We're still starting. Yes, we are. Okay, I think it's time for me to go.
Tomorrow.
Hi guys, it's 4:13. I can't see. Whoa. Me and Angelina just got finished waking some of the girls up, but now we have to go bang on their doors. So I'm gonna have to go find their room.
3 hours later.
Girl, I look so scary, bro. I look like a ghost. Cause I'm the only one who got this, and whenever I look at myself, I'm just like,
Hi guys, I have my outfit on.
Yes.
I still need to do my eyeshadow, my lips.
And then you have everyone doing their hair on this side, and then makeup on that side. How do you feel? Oh.
I need a napkin. I don't know.
Oh. You dropped it?
Hi guys, I'm painting my toenails right now, and I dropped it.
Here's her fuzz that she dropped it on.
Oh, you're not my twin.
Oh, you can't even see it. Okay. Okay, Maddie, how do I turn this off?
I don't know.
Oh my god, I actually like so scary. I'm scared. Is everybody?
We're doing my hair right now. Some of us are here. We're missing like half of the team right now. Dance doesn't start until 1:30. We are the last group. So we're just kind of chilling. It's currently, what time is it?
I can always go.
What time is it? It's 11:14 right now. This is me before competition. I'm excited and the nerves hasn't kicked in yet, but I'm excited. My name is Leona.
Express how you feel.
Yes. I'm scared, but I'm excited.
Hi, Jess. Jess. How does it feel? I'm excited. I know the girls got it.
Hi, I'm Coach Val. I am very excited for our first competition this year, and I think we're gonna do really good.
Hi, I'm Lucy.
Are you?
What?
Hey, how you feel?
Good.
Are you excited to see Leona dance?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hello. I'm feeling really good. Oh, I'm Sadie.
Hi. Hello. I'm Suri Chang. I feel in the car I was so nervous. I was like, oh my gosh. And then I told my mom, I was like, I'm always here.
Hey guys, my name's Arlena.
How you feel?
I feel good. I'm kind of nervous, but I know we got this. Hi, my name is Shiny, and I feel super nervous. I can't wait.
Introduce yourself and how you feel.
My name is Eva, and I feel excited. I feel ready. I feel like I'm gonna eat that stage. I'm gonna eat that stage down, conquer that shit.
Here. How do you feel? You not hear me?
Oh, what? How do I feel?
I feel amazing. I am very confident. I mean, look, I really am the baddest. Like, I'm so confident right now. I'm excited.
I'm Cassidy, and I'm feeling very excited. And I mean, just wait. Can you show them my outfit? Yes, I'm very excited.
Hi, I'm Emily, and I feel nervous but a little excited. So, hi, I'm Savina, and I feel really good, and I'm really excited.
Okay. Introduce yourself. How you feel?
Is it even on?
Yeah.
Oh. Hi guys, I'm Analia, or Nali. My stomach hurts right now, but I feel really good.
Hi, I'm Ariana, and I'm feeling great.
My name is Serene, and I feel nervous, but I'm excited though.
Hi, I'm Madison. I'm feeling really scared and excited. Yeah.
Okay. All good?
Yes.
Okay. What is your favorite part of the Thai dance?
That that one solo part.
What part?
Okay.
I don't want to do it. You'll see. She'll put a clip right here, guys.
What's your favorite part of the Thai dance?
They're the last two to vote, so when they go line up, then get to vote.
Okay. What's your favorite part of the Thai dance?
My favorite part is this.
What team is that?
What's your favorite part of the Thai dance?
My favorite part is I don't even know. The beginning.
What's your favorite part of the Thai dance?
I like the. Oh, wait.
Okay. What's your favorite part of the Thai dance?
The butt part and a diagonal.
Favorite part of the Thai dance?
This part.
Why you got me? Because
What's your favorite part of the Thai dance?
I think my favorite part would be getting on the floor. My favorite part is I can't choose. I like everything.
Okay, she like everything. What's your favorite part of the Thai dance? Okay. What's your favorite part of the Thai dance?
I don't have a favorite.
Why?
No, like the dance is just all one.
Okay, so you like all of it?
Yeah.
What's your favorite part of the Thai dance?
Okay, wait. I gotta take my shoe off.
Okay. What's your favorite part of the Thai dance?
How to do it like with Kyle.
Was that Maya?
That is so polite.
Okay.
5 minutes later.
How you feeling?
Hi, I'm nervous and I'm ready to go on stage.
Okay.
Hi, this is Madison
Hi,
before
how
going
you
on
feeling?
stage. I'm ready. This is Cassidy before going on stage.
Hi, how you feeling?
Good. I want to go on stage right now.
Hi, how you feeling?
This is me before
Great, I'm
stage.
excited. Hi, how you feeling?
Happy.
Yay.
We're gonna slay.
Hi, how you feeling?
I'm nervous but excited.
Okay. Hi, how you feeling?
Hi, I feel excited but a little bit scared, but I know we'll do great.
Yes. Hi, how you feeling?
Hi, I'm so excited but I'm very nervous.
I got this. Hi, how you feeling?
I'm scared, but I know we got it.
Okay. Hi, how you feeling?
I'm feeling really, really good. I'm so excited.
Okay. Hi, how you feeling?
I'm a little bit nervous, but I'm confident, and I really like this dance, so we should do it.
Hi, how you feeling?
I'm feeling great.
Okay. Hi, how you feeling?
Hey, I'm feeling great.
Okay.
I need more glitter.
Hi, how you feeling?
I'm feeling excited.
It's okay.
Hi, how you feeling?
Excited!
Thank you.
Hi, how you feeling?
I feel nervous as
I'm so scared.
guys. Wait,
Why do I feel like I'm the one who's on stage?
very cute.
You want to stay?
Thank you.
Yeah, we'll go.
You too.
I love you, girls. You guys got it.
It's actually hitting me now.
Come on.
It's hitting me now. Dashi no kuchai. Dashi no kuchai. Tia. What'd you say?
2.
Am I recording? I am. Hi guys. It's day 2 of Labor Day. We didn't record our us getting ready because it was very chaotic, but we did really good. Here's everybody. Valentine getting ready. Jessica, say hi. Hi.
I got you.
Say hi. Hi. Let me go around. Show everybody. This is our mess. Guys, say hi to the camera. Hi. Say hi to the camera. Say hi. Everybody say hi to the camera. Sisters. Hello? Say hi to the camera.
Ooh, I messed up my hair.
Hi. Say hi to the camera. Alright guys. Say hi to the camera. Hello.
Oh, hi guys. It's Surrey Cam and Maddie Cam. We went through a really embarrassing thing.
And we're embarrassed.
Very.
And we don't want to be here anymore.
And my dignity is gone.
My pride is gone.
I can't show my face here anymore.
That's cute though. Who'd you guys get so far?
A lot of people.
A lot of dancers?
Yeah.
Oh. Like, do you guys pin them secretly?
Yeah.
Oh, like you guys walk by them just...
Yeah.
So good at it too. Really? We just like... And then run away.
How do you feel?
I don't know. I'm kind of scared, to be
Really?
honest. Yeah. Just because like we went first today and like the stage was really wet. Considering the situation we were in, I think we did good. But just kind of unfortunate that the stage was really wet, that we couldn't do our best. And now the stage is dry.
Exactly. Oh, that could have been us. That could have been us.
Hi guys, it's Haley P and she just woke up from her nap.
How long did you sleep?
Ever since dance started to where it's ending right now.
Okay.
3 hours.
Nice.
My sleep was amazing.
Oh,
I gave it a 1,000.
Now we're going to go clip more dancers. We only have like a couple more people to clip. Oh, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, we'll show you guys how mysterious we are. Okay, you guys. Thank you. You guys, I think Sadie found a victim. Go, Sadie, go.
I just can't leave them.
Go, Sadie.
But they're gonna know if we go.
Really?
Go back. Somebody.
Go, go. Sorry, you got this. Oh, I was gonna clip you. I was gonna clip her, but it was Nally.
What the hell? Literally yesterday, like I had the hardest time clipping people.
Really?
Yeah, like I was literally doing this while they were walking.
Oh my god. I have one more.
Actually, I have 3.
Oh,
Try to do 3.
what the heck? You guys right there. Oh wait. Okay. Oh, what the heck? It was pointing towards my face the whole time. So sorry for that jump scare, you guys. Oh no, I think my clip is broken. Look at this. Am I tweaking? Wait a minute. Hold on. Okay, you guys. They caught us. Okay, that was my last clip.
I feel excited.
Yeah, this is us before results. Hey! Oh. How you feel?
Hi, I feel very excited. I'm excited.
How you feel?
Hi, I feel excited.
I'm scared. I'm scared too.
I did, but you looked away.
No, okay, you gotta like.
Oh, Haley. How do you feel before results?
She keeps doing that. We gotta slow mo it and put like a song. Put the.
I feel
Okay, bye.
amazing.
You feel what?
I feel amazing.
Okay, period. Savina, how do you feel before results?
I feel good.
Good? Okay. Emily, how do you feel before results?
Nervous but excited.
Alina, how do you feel before results?
I'm scared, but yeah, I'm excited too. So.
Okay. How do you feel?
I'm excited and nervous.
Okay. Tina, did I get you?
No,
How do you feel, Tina?
I'm nervous.
You nervous?
Yes.
How do you feel, Sadie, before?
Hi, my name is Sadie, and I'm nervous, but we did our best.
How do you feel, Maddie?
Hi, I'm nervous, but I'm excited, regardless win or lose.
How do you feel?
I'm kind of excited, but I'm trying to be nonchalant, and I've shedded blood, sweat, and tears. Big dash.
How you feel, Leona?
I'm excited, but I'm scared, but either way, I'm really proud of us.
How do you feel?
I'm proud of us too. I believe in us, and you know what? We did the best.
Woo! Yes. Coach, how do you feel?
I'm very excited. A little bit nervous, but
Yeah. Okay. Coach, how do you feel? I'm also very nervous, but I'm very confident. So we gonna clock it. We gonna clock
Is everybody in the circle?
is everyone here?
Ready? Not too loud, okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Qaum Hmoob Nas Ej, slay!
Okay, in second place with a score of 582.8. Our second place winner is
We were only 0.3 away from.
Oh my god!
smile, smile. It's gonna be endless.
1, 2, 3, Nkauj Hmoob Nas Ej!
Okay, y'all did that. So I messed that up.
Oh, I'm ready.
Okay, I'm ready to go home.
Baby, you make me forget everything. Don't know what I'm dreaming anymore. You're just so beautiful. Yeah, oh baby, why's my heart bouncing like this inside? When I saw you smile so sweet and bright, I swore you were already mine that night. Let's turn our love into a playful dream. Hold me like I'm living in a fairy tale. You're already mine, baby, baby, and I'm already yours, baby. Let's ride our love up high in the sky, baby. Let's begin our love, love, love. Let our two hearts become just one, one.